Meaning of falsettist.
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 Falsettist. A falsettist is a singer who specializes in using falsetto, a high-pitched singing technique. Falsettists are known for their ability to reach high notes that other singers may find difficult to achieve. By using falsetto, the voice is produced by the vibration of the edges of the vocal cords rather than the full length, creating a distinct sound. The technique is often used in genres such as pop, R&B, and soul music. Overall, a falsettist is a skilled musician who can add unique qualities to a song through their high-pitched vocals.